Then. Okay, so we discussed it, we started DDL commands, alter, drop. Next, one more is there. What is that is truncate. Then, so what truncate does? Truncate deletes all the data from table, empty the table, and releases what memory allocated for the table. So after creating table, SQL server allocates memory. What that memory are called? Pages. Memory pages. Pages are created. What is the size of that pages? So size of the page is 8 kilobytes, 8 KB. So the data stored in pages. You insert the data, whatever the data you insert, the data will be stored in pages. When we execute truncate command, SQL server goes to memory and releases what? All the pages allocated for table. When pages are released, the data stored in the pages are also deleted. Okay, then. So it's not going to data, it's not deleting the data. It is going to memory, releasing the memory. It's not going to data, deleting the data. It is going to memory and deleting the data. So then example, suppose you say selects are from what? EMP. Selects are from EMP. Okay. Then next. So truncate table what? EMP. EMP table is truncated. After truncating EMP table, all the data is what? Deleted. But what about the structure? What about the structure? Structure is also deleted. Structure is not deleted. Structure is not deleted. Only what is deleted is data. So you see that selects are from EMP. So data is what? Deleted. Yes, but structure is not deleted. Okay, then suppose I execute a command delete from EMP. Tell me what this will do. This also deletes all the data from EMP table. Truncate is also deleting all the data from EMP table. Okay, now truncate delete the data, delete also deleting the data. What is the difference between delete and truncate? Then, so this is one frequently asked question. Delete versus what? Truncate. Because both are deleting the data. Then and what is delete is? Delete is DML command. Truncate is DDL command. Delete comes under DML. Truncate comes under DDL. Okay, then now. So tell me, can we delete delete command using delete? Can we delete specific row? Okay, na? Can we delete all rows? Yes. Can we delete specific rows? Yes. Using truncate, can we delete specific row? No. So we can delete only all rows, but we cannot delete what? Specific row. So delete. Can delete all or what? Specific rows. Truncate can delete only what? All rows, but cannot delete what? Specific row. row, specific row or rows. Okay, then. Can we use where condition with delete? Can we use where condition with delete? Yes. Can we use where condition with truncate? No. You see the syntax? Can we use where condition with truncate? No. So then, no. Where condition can be used? Can be used with what? Delete. And here, where condition cannot be used with what? Truncate. Can I? Where condition can be used with delete, but where condition cannot be used with truncate. Because we can use where condition, that's why we can delete what? Specific rows. Here we cannot use where condition, that's why we cannot delete what? Specific rows. So we have to delete all rows. But how delete command deletes? How delete command deletes? Delete command deletes what, sir? Row by row. How delete command deletes? Row by row. It go to first row, delete the first row. It go to second row, delete the second row. It go to third row, deletes what? Third row. How it works? Row by row, deletes row by row. How truncate works? Will it go to row by row? No. It deletes all rows at a time. Deletes what? All rows. Because it will not go to individual rows. It go to the memory, release the memory. When memory is released, all the data is deleted at a time. Yes or no? So delete command deletes row by row. And truncate deletes all rows at a time. Okay. Delete deletes row by row. Truncate deletes all rows at a time. Next. And delete command. Okay. Then. So which is faster? Delete is faster or truncate is faster? Truncate is faster. So delete is what? Slower. Truncate is faster. No. And after delete, after executing delete, memory is not released. Immediately memory is not released. Data is deleted, but memory is not immediately released. Maybe memory releases maybe after some time, not immediately. But after executing truncate command, so memory releases what's it? Immediately. Okay, then. So delete command, delete will not release what? Memory. But truncate releases what? Memory. Delete will not release memory, but truncate releases memory. That's all. So these are the difference between delete and what? Truncate. Then. So if you want to empty the table, which command is efficient? Truncate. If you want to empty the table, you want to delete all the data, complete table. So truncate is efficient. Okay, na? So delete is DML, truncate is DDL command, and delete command can delete what's it? All are specific rows. We can delete all rows or specific rows, but truncate can delete only all rows, but cannot delete specific rows. Where condition can be used with what? Delete. So, but in truncate, we can't use where condition. That's why we cannot delete specific rows. And how delete works row by row? but how truncate works, deletes all rows at a time. So delete is slower, truncate is faster. Delete will not release memory, but truncate releases memory. Okay. Then. So that's all. This is what the difference between delete and what's it, truncate. Okay, that's all. So these commands are DDL commands. If anyone asks you difference between drop versus delete truncate, drop, delete, truncate, then but delete and truncate belongs to one category. So it is deleting only data, but keeping the structure. But drop what? Drop the structure. Okay, na? Understood or not? No. So confusion is not between drop, delete, truncate. Confusion is between delete and truncate. Okay, understood? No. Okay. So, like, let's see. I just want to create one table. Just see. I want to create one table with this structure. I want to create a table with this structure. So what command? I want to create a table with this structure. What command we use? Create table command. I want to insert this row into the table. Insert command. I want to insert the row into this table. Command is what? Insert. And I want to change this salary 5,000 to 8,000. Update. I want to add a new column. I want to add a new column, job. Alter. Alter, add. Okay, na? I want to add a new column to the table. Alter. Into this new column, I want to insert some data. Into the new column, I want to insert the data. Command is update. Command is what? Update. I want to delete this row from the table. I want to delete this row. Command is delete. I want to remove this column from the table. I want to remove this column from the table. Alter, drop. Alter plus drop. Okay. Then I want to delete this. I want to empty this table. I want to empty the table. Truncate. Okay. I want to remove this table from database. Drop. Understood? Okay, na? So to create a table, create command. To insert the data into the table, insert command. To change the salary, update command. To add a new column, alter. Okay, na? To delete the row, delete command. To remove this column, alter, drop. Okay. To empty the table, truncate command. To remove the table from database, drop command. Okay. Then next, suppose there is one, what is that is called sp underscore what rename. Sp underscore rename. Okay. Then so what this is, use it to change, call, use it to change what's it, table name, use it to change. We can using this command we can change table name or what's it, column name. Use it to change table name and column name. Command use it to change table name. We can change the table name and we can also we can change what's it, column name. Then no. So sp underscore rename. Okay. What we have to pass, old name comma what's it, new name. Sp underscore rename, old name comma new name. So if you want to change the names, sp underscore rename. Okay, na? So What is SP means? You remember what is SP stands for? Stored procedure. You know SP underscore help. SP help is SP stored procedure. SP help is one stored procedure to see the table structure. SP underscore rename is one stored procedure to change the name, table name and column name. Like that, number of stored procedures provided by SQL server. So there are number of stored procedures provided by SQL server. Okay. Then, so what do you want? Suppose, for example, I want to change this table name. What the table name is? EMP. I want to change this table name EMP. Okay. Then, so how to write it? Like so. Like rename. What's it? Okay, na? Like otherwise you write like that. Change the table name EMP to employees. So rename EMP to employees, change the table name EMP to employees. Oh, SP underscore what? Rename, SP underscore rename, then what? SP underscore rename, what? EMP, next one, employees. So old name is EMP, new name is employees. So after executing this command, table name is changed. Okay, then table name is changed. See this. So table name is what's it? Change. Okay, now what this is? Caution. Okay, now that. But you can leave it. You can ignore this. Okay, now then it's not error. It's not what's it? Error. It's not error. It is what? Caution. You can ignore it. So then, suppose now, if you want to see the employee table, now if I run select star from EMP, it gives error. Now if I run select star from EMP, it gives what? Error. What it says? Invalid object name, what's it? EMP, because the name is changed. Now name is changed to employees. So if you want to see the employees data, now we have to use what's it? Employees. Select star from employees. Now it will work. But data is not there. Okay, na? We truncated. Okay, then now. So if you want to see the employees data, we have to use this name employees. Understood? So this is how to change what table name. And using this SP underscore rename, we can also change column names. We can also change what's it? Column name. So there is a column called COMM. What is COMM? Commission. I want to change this name to bonus. Instead of calling it as commission, I want to change this name to what? Bonus. Then, so how to rename? Next, rename column what? Commission to what? Bonus. Rename column commission to bonus. Then what? SP underscore rename. Just 1 second. Tell me. SP underscore rename. Then so change the name commission to bonus. What? Old name is commission. New name is bonus. But you run like this, it gives error. What it is saying? No item by the name commission is found. What is the meaning? There is no object with name commission. No item or no object with name commission. So that means, like if you give like this, What SQL server is thinking that commission is a table name. Sir, here once again, earlier you have given SP underscore rename EMP to what, sir? Employees. Then what is this is table name. EMP table name is changed to employees. Now here also it is what it is doing. It is thinking that commission is a what? Table name. Commission is a table name. But there is no table called commission. That's why it is giving error. Sir, okay now? If you give like this, it is thinking that commission is a table. But commission, there is no table with name commission. So that's why it is giving what? Error. Then what you have to tell SQL server? You tell SQL server that commission is not a table name. Commission is a column name, belongs to which table? Employees table. So you have to say like this, employees dot. Now if you say employees dot commission, now SQL server understand that commission is a column, belongs to employees table. Then you want to change this name to bonus. Now it will work. Now it is changed or not? Yes. Okay na? Then. So if it is a column, then what you have to say? If it is a column, then table name dot column name. Now SQL server understand that commission is a column, belongs to employees table. Sir, okay now? No. So table name means directly give the table name. If it is column name means table name dot column name. Sir, I like something like this. This is also one question asked in interviews. Select, just see this, e-name, salary, commission as bonus from EMP. Okay na? They'll ask, what is the difference between these two commands? You know this as, you know this or you don't know? As, Elias, you know na, as, okay na? They'll ask what is the difference between these two, this one and this one. In this, what is this is rename. What is this is Elias. What is the difference between Elias and rename? What is the difference between Elias and rename? Okay, once again, let me once again. Employees dot what's that? Bonus. Once again, just commission. Okay, then. See, this is the table bus. Select start from employees. See the table. So there is a column called what's that? Commission. Okay, na? Then I'll execute this query. If I execute this query, then what? I'll execute this query. If I execute this query, then it will show the name, salaries, and commissions. But commission is displayed as bonus. That means here, what is the table name? Sorry, what is the table name? Employees, because we changed the name now. Then what it is showing? Bonus. Bonus. It is showing what? Bonus. Okay na? Now they're asking what is the difference? This is called Elias. What is this is called rename. What is the difference between these two? Sir, here actually you are changing the heading na. You are changing what, sir? Heading. You are changing the heading in the select statement output. But you go and see the original table. You just go and see the original table. In original table, name is commissioner bonusa. In the original table, boss name is commissioner bonusa. Commission only. In the original table, name is what, sir? Commission only. But only in this select statement output, commission heading is changed to bonus. Okay, na? But original table remains what? Same. But what is rename is? Rename. What is rename is? Rename changes the column name in table. But this will not change the column name in table. This will change the only column heading in the select statement output. It will change only column heading in select statement output, not in the original table. Yes or no? But sp underscore rename changes what, sir? Column name in table. So this is what? Not permanent, but this is what, sir? Permanent. Yes. Then so, like, what is the difference between alias and rename? What is the difference between alias and rename? What alias? What alias is not permanent. Rename is what? Permanent. Okay. Alias is not permanent. Alias, what it will do? Changes. Alias, what changes? What, sir? Column. What changes? Changes column heading, column name. Okay, na? Changes column heading in the what? Select statement output. Changes column heading in the select statement output. Only in output heading is changed. What rename will do? Changes what? Column. Changes column name. What? In table. Changes column name in table. Only in the output you want to change, then alias. In table you want to change, then rename. Okay. Clear now? That's all. So this is like SP rename. Okay now? Then so you learned some basic SQL commands. You learned some basic SQL commands. Okay, DDL commands, DML commands, DRL commands. You know how to create tables, how to store the data, how to update the data, how to delete the data, how to add a new column to the table, how to remove the column, how to remove the table. You learn some basic operations. Okay, then. So this is one part, learning the basic operations, basic commands. That is one part. Now next, SQL server in real time. SQL server is not only used for storing the data, like not only used for what? Storing the data. SQL server is also used to process the data. Not only it is used for data storage, it is also used for data processing. Using SQL, we can also process the data. We can store the data and we can also process the data. Okay, now processing means maybe some calculations. Maybe some calculations. Okay. For processing the data, there are number of facilities provided by SQL server. For processing, number of facilities provided by SQL server. So some of the facilities in SQL server, what that is called? That is called built-in functions. Built-in functions in SQL server. SQL is one of the best language for processing structured data. Okay, na? SQL is the what, sir? SQL is one of the best language for processing structured data. If data is in structured form, structured means rows and columns. If data is available in rows and columns, SQL is the best language. Okay, then. So, like, what are the different facilities? One of the facilities, what's it? Functions. Okay, then. If you go to suppose programming languages like C, there is a function called POW function. There is a function called what? POW function. What this calculates? This calculates what? Power. If you pass 3 comma 2, what is this returns is 9. This function calculates power 3 to the power of 2, 9. Yes. What this is called? This is called what? Function. This is called function. In C language, if you want to calculate power, you don't need to write any program. There is a predefined function is there. Directly you can call it. No need to use any. No need to use any. No need to write any program. Directly there is a predefined function. Directly you can call it. You want to calculate square root. So there is a predefined function SQRT. Square root of 16. 4. Square root of 16. 4. So you want to calculate square root. No need to write any program. So there is a predefined function. Directly call it. Okay. Na? Like that. SQL server is also provided some number of functions. And all these functions are useful for mathematical calculations, date calculations, string calculations, analysis, like that. So this functions useful for calculations. What type of calculations? Mathematical calculations, string calculations, date calculations, like that. Okay. Then first of all, what is the definition of function? How you define this? Like POW is there. How you define this POW? How you define this? This is a function. Take some input. Take some input. Take some input. So perform some calculation. Returns one value. What that value returns? 9. POW function is taking some input. Example 3 comma 2. Perform some calculation and returns one value. What that is? 9. Suppose there is a function SQRT. Take some input. Example 16. Perform some calculation. Returns one value. That is 4. So what is the general definition of a function is? A function accepts some input. A function accepts some input, performs some calculation, and what's it? Returns one value. Takes some input, performs some calculation, returns one value. A function accepts some input, performs some calculation, returns one value. So this is the general definition of function. Then, but in SQL Server, functions are categorized into different categories. SQL Server functions are categorized into different categories. So in SQL Server, functions are categorized into one is what's it? Date functions. Okay, na? Then another one what? Date functions. Another one string functions. Another one mathematical functions. Another one conversion. Another one special functions. Another one analytical functions. Next one aggregate functions. That's all. So functions categorized into what? 7. Date, string, mathematical, conversion, special, analytical, aggregate. Huh? Okay. Okay, now date functions used for what? These functions are used for date calculations. For date calculations, we use date function. And these functions are used for string manipulations. This is used for mathematical calc. They are used for converting one type to another type. So they are used for special category. Analytical function used for analysis. Aggregate functions are used for to calculate aggregates. Okay, na? Summaries. Then that's all. Okay, now. So we'll start with what? Date functions. Date functions. In date functions, one already you know. One function already you know. What that is? Get date. What that get date returns? Date returns like current date and time. Function returns current date and time. Okay. Function returns current date and time. Now, so like suppose for example, you say what select what this is get date. Select get date, then it will return date time and also milliseconds also. What is 2204? What this is date. What this is time. What this is milliseconds. Your system date is wrong. Okay, na? System date is what, sir? Wrong. So it will show date, time, and also what? Milliseconds. So if you write something get date, then it will return date, time, milliseconds. What is today's 07 now? Okay. Next. So this part is date. What this part is time. What this is milliseconds. Okay. Then next one. Next one, date part. Date part. Okay, date part. What this date part is? This function used to extract part of the date. Function used to extract part of the date. To extract part of the date. Suppose here, what is this is? Date part. Okay, date part. Sir, here actually, one second. Pow is there. Okay, na? Pow function. Take some input, na? Sir, you use this function to calculate power. But compulsory, you have to pass some data or not. Without passing the values, how it can calculate the power? Yes or no? Suppose if you pass some 5, 2, then it will calculate 5 to the power of 2. Yes. What are these 5 and 2 are called? Pow is function. What is 5 and 2 are called? In every, like if you go to every language, you come across, but terminology may be different. If you come to here, we calling it as functions. If you go to Java, they call it as methods, .NET methods, but we are calling it as function. So what is this 5 and 2 are called? This 5 and 2 are called function arguments. They are called what's that? Function arguments, function parameters. You call it as function arguments or function parameters. Like pow function takes how many parameters, how many arguments? 2 arguments. Okay, na? This function takes 2 arguments. Like that, a date part function takes how many arguments? Date part function also takes 2 arguments. First argument is interval, second argument is date. Every function takes some input. They are called arguments, function arguments. So date part function takes 2 arguments. First argument is interval, second argument is date. Okay, then what is this interval? We'll see. Okay, now like so. Second one is what's it? Date. What we have to pass here? Date. Any date you can pass. Get date is a date. Yes, you can pass get date or you can pass hide date. Okay, na? Any date you can pass. Not only get date, hide date. You can pass what's it? Something date like what? For example, you can pass 1947-08-15 also. Year date na. Here you can pass any date. So you can pass this date also. 1947-08-15. Okay, then. So let's see example. What is the purpose? Exact part of the date. So date contains what? Date contains year part, month part, day part, etc. If you want to exact year part, from the date, I want only year part. I want only month part. I want only day part. So if we want to exact part of the date, then we use what? Date part function. So which one you want to extract? What do you want to extract? So specify that year. If you want to extract year, specify year. You want to extract month, specify month. Okay, then how? Let's take some examples. Okay, na? Let's take some examples. So here I'm writing something like this. What is that? Is select what's that? Select date part. So what do you want to extract? I want to extract what's that? Year part. To extract year part, say YY. Say what? YY. YY means year. Then from which date you want to extract year part? Suppose I want to extract year part from today's date. Then how to pass today's date? How to pass today's date? Get date. Say get date. So if you say get date means what? Today's date. So get date. This is get date. So what this is? From today's date, it will return what? From today's date, it will return year part. So tell me, what is the year part from today's date? 2022. So this function returns what's that? 2022. Okay, na? Then so get date contains year, month, day, time, etc. From this, it will extract only the year part. That is 2022. Okay, then suppose, like for example, here I'll say mm. Same thing, same date part mm. Okay, na? Then so I'm not writing like this date part like this, but I'm just writing my mm. Okay, na? So in place of YY, if you write what's that? Mm. So I'll write mm comma what's that? Get date. Then what is this returns? Month part. What is the month part? 04. Suppose I'll write DD comma get date. Then so day part. What is the day part? 07. 2022. 4 digits. Even you go 2 Ys or 4 Ys, then result is what? 2022. Once again, you give YYY. What is the output? 2022. You give what's that? 4 Ys also. What is the output? 2022. Okay, na? Then. So MM returns month part, DD returns day parts. Sir, okay na? Then next DW. DW, what's sir? Get date. DW get date. What is DW means? Day of the week. What is DW stands for? Day of the week. DW means day of the week. Day of the week. What is today? What is today's day of the week? Thursday. Today is Thursday, na? So Thursday number is what, sir? 5. Thursday number is 5. 1 second. So 1 for Sunday. 1 for Sunday. 2 for Monday. 7 for Saturday. 7 for Saturday. Now tell me, what is Thursday number is 5. Thursday number is 5 or not? Huh? Thursday number is 5. Friday is 6. Saturday is 7. Right. So DW returns day of the week. You can get anything. Year part, month part, day of the week. Next one, Q comma get date. Yes, you want name. We'll see. Wait. Okay, na? Q returns what, sir? Q means quarter. Q means what, sir? Quarter. You know, na, quarter. Not that quarter, boss. Huh? Okay, na? Okay, then. So year is divided into what? 4 quarters. So one means January to what, sir? March, first quarter. Next, April, May, June is second quarter. Next one, July, August, September is third quarter. Next one, October, November, December is fourth quarter. What is this month? This month is April month. So it is belongs to which quarter? Second quarter. So then it will return 2. Okay, na? Okay, then. So this belongs to April. This is April month, belongs to second quarter, returns what? 2. Returns 2. Next. Suppose HH comma get date. What is this returns? Our part. Returns what? Our part. Returns our part. So now the time is what? Suppose now the time is what is the hour part is 7 o'clock, but 7 p.m. na, it returns 19. It returns what? 19. That means 24 hours format. It will return what, sir? 24 hours format. 19. And similarly, what? What is this is MI returns minutes. Suppose 10. SS what? Get date. Returns seconds. MI means minutes. SS seconds. See, whatever you want, you can exact. Can exact year part, month part, day part, day of the week, quarter, hour, minute, seconds. Okay. So okay now. Then you want to test it. Suppose you want to test, then write it here. What this is here? What's it? YY. YY returns 2022. MM returns what? Month part. Month part is 4. DD returns what? Day part 5. Here system date is wrong. System date is wrong. Okay na? Yes or no? Next one. Once again. What is today's 7th? 7th April. Yes. Okay. Time. What is the time? 7. 17. 7. 19. Yes. 19. 10. Correct. And then okay. Now. So let's see. DD. DD is what? 7. DD is 7. Next. Okay. DW. Day of week. What is this is? 5. Today is Thursday. Thursday number is 5. Next one. Like Q. What is this? Q returns 2. Quarter 2. Second quarter. Okay. Next one. HH. HH returns our parts. Okay. Next, MI returns minutes. SS returns seconds. Understood? Okay, na? Right. So, once again, how this is useful. For example, I'll ask display employees joined on Sunday. I want to find out who are joined on Sunday. I want to see the employees joined on Sunday. What? How to write it? Select what's it? Select star. I'm asking employee data. Select star from MP. I'm not asking all. I'm asking only who are joined on Sunday. That means employee join day equal to what, sir? Sunday. If join day equal to Sunday, then select. But how to get the join day? Is join day is there in the table? Is join day is there in the table? No. What is there in the table? Join date is there. Join date, hide date. Join date is there, but day is not there. What is there? Date is there. But if you know date, can't you get the day? You know date, boss. If you know date, can't you get the day of the week? Yes. How to get the day of the week? Date part. How to get the day of the week? Date part. So what is that is? Date part. Date part. Then what do you want? What do you want? DW. You want day of the week, na? Then what? DW. From which date? From which date? Not get date. See, this is what employee joined on Sunday. Here you have to pass employee joined date. Yes or no? From employee joined date, get the day of the week. If it is equal to Sunday, then display. Yes or no? What is the date you have to pass? Hide date, not get date. Get date means today. It will check today. But we don't want to check today. We want to check employee joined on which day. Yes or no? Then what? Hide date. Hide date equal to Sunday. But DW returns date part. Date part DW returns number or name. Day of the week number or day of the week name. Day of the week number. Here also you have to give the number. What is the number for Sunday? 1. So 1. Okay, na? So if this condition true means employee joined on Sunday. So what we are getting is from hide date, we are getting the day of the week. If the day of the week equals to 1, 1 means Sunday. So if this condition true means selected. Understood? Now your conditions can be based on year, month, day of the week, whatever. Okay, then because whatever you want you can extract. Then so run this query here, run this query, then like employee table is changed plus data is also not there. No, data is also not there. So we do one thing, we'll recreate the table. How to create? Go to what already. Okay, once again, what SQL server demo tables is there now? Huh? Table is there already. The script is there. Execute this script. When the script is executed, table is created or not? Yes. Execute this script. Sir, okay now? Then create this table. So table is created. Okay. Now table is there. Select star from MP. Table is there. Okay. Then. So from this table, what do you want? You want what joined on Sunday. So run this. So there is one employee joined on Sunday. Who is that employee? What? So 18/02/22 is what, sir? Sunday. Yes or no? Okay, na? Then. Next, I'll ask you tell me. Suppose, for example, like display what employees join in January, April, December months. Who are joined in Jan, April, December months. Now condition based on month, na? Previous one condition based on day of the week. Now condition based on what? Month. Then you have to find out how to get the month from hide date. Table contains hide date. From hide date, how to get the month, you have to find out. Then what? Date part. Date part. What? How to get the month? MM returns month. Month from which date? Hide date. From hide date. Okay, na? So this will return month from hide date. Yes. Month equals to. Okay, na? What is our condition? January, April, December. Month should be equal to January, April, December. Yes. But this returns once again. This returns month number, month name. Month number. But he is given name. But you should not go according to his question. You have to go according to this function. Yes or no? So this returns month number. Here also you have to give month number. What is the month number? 1, 4, 12. 1 means January, 4 means April, 12 means December. But here, how many values are there? 3 values. Can we use equal to operator to compare 3 values? No. Which operator we use? In operator. We have to use in. Yes. So in operator. So when list means you have to use in. Okay. Then. But you try the same queries without using function. Then you'll find the difficulty. Then you'll find the advantage of functions. You try the same question, you not using function. Okay, na? Then you will find the difficulty. So now execute this query. What this gives? This gives what's it? Like all these are joined. This is December. This is April, December, Jan, December, December, Jan. Okay. Then next. So one is like, let's see one more. Suppose here display employees joined in leap year. Employees joined in leap year. You know leap year? Leap year. What is the leap year? What is the leap year condition? Divide year with 4. Then it is leap year. Example 2020. 2020 is leap year. Yes or no? 2020. So what is the year? Once again, divide what, sir? Divide what? Year. Divide year with 4. Check the remainder. Check the remainder. How to get the remainder in SQL server? In SQL server, how to get the remainder? Mod 4. What is the meaning? Sir, 1 second. 10 by 2 gives 5. 10 mod 5 gives 10 mod 5. 10 divided with 5. Remainder is what, sir? 0. Remainder is 0. Okay, na? So this gives remainder. Now 20% 4. Then what this gives? Remainder. What is the remainder? 0. If remainder is 0 means this year is what? Leap year. 2021 is a leap year? No. Then what this gives? 1. Sir, okay na? Understood or not? Then next. What? Tell me. I want to see the employee joined in leap year. How to write this query? What we have to check? We have to check year. Okay na? Year. Divide year with what, sir? 4. If remainder equal to 0, that means it's leap year. Yes or no? Divide year with 4. Remainder is 0. Then leap year. But how to get the year? Sir, here, like always remember here, all these questions are based on height date. Yes or no? But table contains height date, boss. Can we divide height date with 4? Huh? Can we divide height date with 4? No, boss, we cannot divide height date with 4. Height date means what? Year, month, day. Yes or no? It contains 3. Year, month, day. We cannot divide date with what? 4. What we have to divide? Year. Year. We have to divide year with 4. Then how to get the year from height date? How to get the year from height date? Date part. Use what? Date part. Then YY, comma, height date. That's all. What is this redundancy? What is this redundancy? Year part. This redundancy? Year part. Dividing year with what, sir? 4. Remainder equal to 0. This condition true means it is a leap year. Sir, okay? Then. Now. And on this, just we'll let one more. Okay. Next, we'll go to the next function. Okay. Then you understood now? Then. So, like divide year with 4, remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 means leap year. So there is one. What that is? 1980. 1980 is a leap year. Sir, okay na? Then now next. So then suppose here I want to see the employees joined in second quarter of 1981 year. I want to see the employees joined in second quarter of 1981 year. Joined in second quarter of 1981. Tell me how. Don't want all who are joined in second quarter of 1981. How? Select what's that? Star. Select star from EMP where what? Okay, na? One second. Year should be equals to 1981. One second. Next one. Quarter should be equals to 2. Second quarter, na? Second quarter of 1981. Year should be equals to 1981. Quarter should be equals to 2. How to get the year? How to get the year? Date part. Date part. Then YY comma height date. Date part YY comma height date. So year equals to 1981. Next one. Quarter. How to get the quarter? Date part Q. Q comma height date equals to 2. So what this is? Year equals to 81. Quarter equals to 2. That's all. Just writing conditions by using like, okay. No. So if both conditions true, selected. Okay, na? If both are true, then selected. Okay, na? Now let's see here then. So all are joined in what's that? 1981. 4, 5, 6. 4 means April. 5 means May. 6 means June. April, May, June is what? Second quarter. So there are 3 employees joined in second quarter of 1981 year. Yes. Okay. Then. So this is some examples how to use what's that? Date part. Okay. Then you learned how to exact day of the week, how to exact month, how to exact year, how to exact quarter. One second. There is one more. What is that is called? Date name is there. Date name. Date name. Date name. Date name. What this is? This is also similar to date part. This is also similar to date part. Use it to extract part of the date. Similar to date part. Use it to extract part of the date. Okay. Then what is the difference? Both are same. Date part and date name both are same. So that is used to extract part of the date. This is also used to extract part of the date. Both are same. But difference is there in only 2 intervals. Difference is there in only 2 intervals. One second. See, this is what's that? Date part. What is this is? This is date name. Date part, date name. So both are same. But what the difference is? Suppose here difference is there in only these 2, mm and dw. Mm means month, dw means day of the week. So suppose date part returns what? Date part returns what, sir? Month number. Month number. Let us take today's date. Then what is this date part? Mm returns month number. What is the month number? 04. Okay, na? But what is date name returns? Month name. What is the month name is? April. That is the difference. Understood? So this returns month number. This returns month name. Okay. Next one. So let's come to this one. DW. So date part returns what? Day of the week. Day of the week number. Day of the week number. What is today? Thursday. What is the number it returns? 5. 5. But date name returns Thursday. That's remaining what? Remaining. Remaining means YY, Q, HH, MI, SS. Remaining is what? Same. Only difference is there in only these two. Okay, na? That difference is there in only these two. Remaining all same. Like a question asked in one of the TCS written test. What that is? Like display on which day India got independence. No, day means don't tell 1947 August 15th. Okay, na? Huh? They don't ask. Okay, na? Simple. Like they're asking day means day of the week. Sir, answer is not Tuesday, Monday, Friday. Answer is SQL query. Is asking to write query. Is not asking to write what? Monday, Tuesday like this. Because it's not general. Okay, na? General knowledge exam. SQL exam, na? You have to write query. So like if you want to add this one, write a query to. Okay, na? Tell me what is the query. Which day India got independence? Huh? Sir, 1 second. How to know today's day? Today's day. Select what I want to print to today's day. Today is Sunday na, Monday na, Tuesday na. I want to print. Then select not star. Okay na. So I want to see today's day. Then select what, sir? Date part. Okay na. Date part what, sir? DW. Then what? Get date. What is this gives? Today's date. But it is written in number na. I don't want number. I want name. Then date what, sir? Date name. So then if you say date name, it will written date. Thursday. Okay na? But is not asking today's, is asking independence. Is not asking today's date. Is asking what? Independence. Then instead of get date, pass what? Pass 1947-08-15. That's all. What is this? Friday. That's all. Okay, na? Then. Any date you can pass. What is this gives? Day of the week. You pass your birthday. If you don't know which day you born, you pass your date of birth. It will return what's that? Day of the week. Okay, na? But not only day of the week, but not Rasi Nakshatra. Okay, na? Then. Okay, na? Then. Okay, so we'll continue this tomorrow.